Good, the rest of the already move it up.
Save the face and use the waist. Don't tell me how the pom taste. Yeah. Save the face. It belongs to some count. Have you would stiff like a chair foot. You see, them can't keep all party on it. How dear man, pump train tire. And them get enough backers without crackers.
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Blessed morning, blessed morning, blessed morning. Do give thanks for the rising. Big up all of my kings and queens, lion and lioness, viewers and subscribers, brothers and sisters, lovers and haters, friends and families. Don't know if I say them, I hear the voice, you know, lion foot in the ears and eyes. I'm just want to say, give thanks to the rising, you know. Make sure when you give praises to the Most High. Anyone that don't watch a vlog, yeah, I don't know, lion foot sending nothing but love and respect and blessings and prosperity, guidance and protection. Give thanks to the Friday, you know. No more viewers and subscribers, I'll be a bagger. Be a bagger and banger and go on. More time some people say some things where, you know, they want to say a long time, but them wait for the right moment to say it. I say this to say this. If you're not good for say, keep your mouth shut. Viewers and subscribers, back after the break.
In support of all victims of abuse.
No more I'm keeping this dirty secret. I ain't scared no more. That's why I come to reveal it. I've been only lived for many years. Sleepless nights, endless tears. I wish I did stay. Yes, welcome up my viewers and subscribers. I don't know. No one cares. You know single me I promote right now, you know. It's about abuse and people who have been a victim of RAPE, is it? Yeah, man. So you can go check it out and give I and I on the support. You see me? Yes, man, can give I and I on the support. And the support is always appreciated. See it? Yeah. No, we write good music, but you know? When the time right, you see me? Now sell we soul. Fulfill the dreams and achieve a goal. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. So this vlog is about the fake friend them, the friend killer them, and how to live and operate in the garrison. You know what I mean? Yes, man. And that's it. You have some people more time. Them see us strive, you know, and them go like them very supportive. Oh, then, alright? Yeah. Good. I'm going at them very supportive. You see me? But they're not. Them don't want to see you strive, them don't want to see you prosper. You see me? You tell them one of your business plans or idea. You see them run, go do it. Or them say, yeah man, I'm free man, I'm happy for you man. But deep down in them heart a tear up and a rip up. You see? You have some people in the garrison. You end up on the corner chatting in a group of you know. And as you turn your back, them will chat you. As you turn your back, them will tear you down and rip you up. See? Then them go back and make it worse because say what you never say. Or hard up on what you never say. Boom, you not mix up now. Boom, you lose your life. I'm telling you about things I see in the garrison, you know. It's a real ghetto youth, you know. You see me? We used to walk and pick up back in a barefoot. Buck toe. You see me? Yeah man. Thief create half a drink truck and them sitting there. You know? You have some people you can't tell in a business. Worse when you have a plan to fly out or you get a girl who spend for you or look after you or, you know? Or you get a one link. You can't tell them. Enough of them are walking people naming them shoes. Enough of them. Yes man. I have people naming a fridge and all this buckle. Me I tell them about things that I see were exposed as a youth. In the garrison. Viewers and subscribers, brothers and sisters, we say give thanks to the rising and give thanks to the morning, you know. I love to say, you know. You see me? Love is the only way I keep it real. Me and one boy no farm a bad mind in me. I may be humble and antisocial, yes. But I saw me grow. I saw me grow. I saw me turn. Me no hype and me no boss. I no man. Nah act like say me better than no one. Me not perfect, but me not do no wrong. You see me? Yeah, man. I just saw the things that my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lion and my lioness. Yes, man, at the garrison, as in you for the youths, them, every day I tell my brother them, say, yo, be careful who you hang out with and how. Where you say when people entertain the argument and we say what you never say. Because you can easily lose your life in the garrison for nothing. Now, RIP to Kep, my neighbor, you know. Get dropped out today. He said he fly out the next day, suitcase pack. And he died the day before. Now, I don't know where that come from. You see me? I just say RIP, poor Rosie, baby. You know, I beg them to stop the crime star. You see me? Pain land me come from. That's how I'm my homeland. When I bust me now, I should big up the garrison. First, me have to make sure me buy a big mansion for my mother. Kids for live pan, for the thugs them. Both woman and man. Who don't get vehicle, get visa in them hand. You see what I say? So I beg them to stop the crime star. But I tell you, the garrison, you have to know how to live in the garrison because you can easily get caught up. You hang out with bad man and you're a bad man. Mother says, show me your company and tell me who you are. So if you just a look simpleton or your friend them broke out and turn bad man and you're par with them, you're going to get brand. You're going to get brand. And that me tell some of the youth them will start bust it. Or who now bust it and get caught up and have to run way. They must say, DJ, you know, say, I just people are mixing up, I not do nothing. So I say, brother, if you hang around such man, you're going to get brand. We don't go and see other people before we end up in another situation. So you know, say if you follow the same suit, you're going to end up in another situation. Name going to call, or when you not do nothing, your name going to call. Why? Because you're hanging around the bad man them. And yo, life easy for live, you know, as I say. You know what I'm saying, you know. Life easy for live, but some people make it hard. Life easy for live, but some people make it hard. You see me? Yes, man. Never truly living at the garrison, it's not easy. Big up yourself in the father dish, the whole leads, you know. You see me, I say? Big up the whole of me Grenada fans them and my Guyana fans them. You see me, I say? Mr. Beck, big up yourself. You see me? Big up everybody, man. Higher Tech, big up everybody, man. You see me, I say? Yes, man. Dennis, everybody, big up. Sarah, everybody on the platform. Every single soul on the platform. You see me? I'm showing them. Living in the garrison is not easy. Living in the garrison is not easy. It can be hard. Few people in there are genuine. Most of them are fraud. You see me? Living in the garrison so scary. Dog eat dog. If you don't focus and do the maths, you will feel or end up in the mark. You see me? Yes, man, my next tune name I say mankind. Not trust mankind. You see me not trust mankind. Not just now, from long time. Me see good friends kill them best friend. For shilling, pence, nickel and dime. You see me not trust mankind. Not just now, from long time. Artists are set up, artists for dead. We don't want them to get the shine. In that they carry some more witness it a lot. Friends set up, friend forget, rob and shot. Max and him friend them a chill out pan the block. As him turn him back, him them a jeer and a mock. Safa get ready for rape him crap. As him turn him by him best friend, him get him foot pop. Kim asked him for Billa, Jim asked him for Billa, split for him and the pussy season it with crack. That's why you see me not trust mankind. I tell you about things that I experienced in the garrison. And everybody will laugh up it is with you. Some of them just laugh because when them can get out of you. Today you give them, tomorrow you can't. Then you start chat you. Yes. You see me? Yes, man, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know what I put to the early morning reasoning. I say big up on yourself. Hold it along. My youths, stay away from crime and violence and learn. If you know if you live in the garrison, you will survive. And also to the female them too. You see me? Stay away from mix up. Yes, man. The bagger and the bangarang. You see what I say? Yes, man. Save the face and use the waist. Save the face and use the waist. I don't want to know the sitting taste. Alright? I'm out. That's another word out of me. I'm out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and click the bell before you go. So you always get that alert when I upload a new content. Your support is highly appreciated. May God bless you and your loved ones. Guide and protect you during your going out and coming in. Until next time, stay safe. See you soon.